Dear students, today we will be discussing based on the first level class only, last first level class. In the last first level class, it was about the keeping diseases away only. The last portions, we will see that. First of all, it is related with cancer. Cancer is a disease, not communicable disease. It means not contagious disease. Pagarina rogalla. Here let us see the reason of cancer. Before that, what is cancer? Then reason of cancer, remedial measures or treatment of cancer. These are the main points to study regarding cancer. Let us see what is this cancer. Cancer is a condition in which uncontrolled cell division or uncontrolled division of cell occurs and this cell spread to other tissues. This is what cancer is. Aniyandritamaya kosha vibhajanam. Normally there will be cell division for growth that we learned in the earlier classes. Here the uncontrolled division of cells. This is what cancer is. And this cells destroy or spread to other areas and destroy the whole system of our body. Okay. Reasons. What are the reasons? Here the reason for disease is environmental factor, smoking, radiation. It may be due to virus, some hereditary factors also. These are the main reasons for cancer. Yeah, the definition you see here, normal cells become cancerous when the control system of cell fails. This is the reason. Okay. Now you can go through the PDF given. I will be giving this PDF along with this or in the WhatsApp. Okay. After this you can go through the PDF, the question answers. We will discuss mainly on the main points. There are questions given. How do normal cell get transformed into cancerous cells? You can see normal cell and cancer cells in the figure. Okay. Here the normal cell is converting to cancerous cells when the control system of cell division fails. This is the main way how normal cell become cancerous cells. The control system of cell division fails. There are some controlling system for cell divisions. Cell division നിയന്ത്രിക്കുന്ന ചില ഘടകങ്ങളുണ്ടാവും. അത് പരാജയപ്പെടുമ്പോഴാണ് അത് cancer cells ആയിട്ട് മാറുക. Reason or cause of cancer. What are the cause of cancer? Environmental factors, പരിസ്ഥിതി ഘടകങ്ങൾ, then smoking, പുകവലി, radiation. Then due to some virus, then there are some hereditary factors. These are the cause of cancer, reason of cancer. Then see the treatment. What are the treatment for cancer? The surgery. Surgery means remove the affected cells if it is possible. All the cancerous cells cannot be removed. Some parts we won't be able to remove surgically. Then there is chemotherapy using some chemicals to destroy the cells through injection or through oral medicine. There are some treatment named chemotherapy. Then radiation therapy. Radiation therapy is nothing but by radiation destroying the cancerous cells. Okay, these are the treatment for cancer. Then If the disease is becoming severe, the treatment will not be possible or the treatment will not be affected. Recovery from the disease is difficult if the cancer is serious or becomes severe. So early diagnosis. In the beginning stage, if you diagnose and if you confirm the cancer, that the first stage or the beginning stage, the treatment will be effective. So always we should be able to identify if there is any cancer cells or in the body. It should be identified in the initial stage, and the treatment will be possible. Okay, and how do cancer cells spread to other parts of the body? It is mainly through blood and lymph. It is spreading from one place to another. Then there's a question, write the name of voluntary organization involved to offer better care to cancer patients. There are some organizations giving free treatment for cancer, and they are taking care of. Okay, always we should give care, love to cancer patients, and we should provide proper care for the cancer patients. Then the second part discussed is lifestyle disease. Different type of lifestyle disease are there. ജീവിത ശൈലി രോഗങ്ങൾ. ലൈഫ്സ്റ്റൈൽ ഡിസീസ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ജീവിത ശൈലി രോഗങ്ങൾ. Due to different cases, causes of lifestyle disease. How the lifestyle disease causes? Lifestyle disease are caused by unhealthy living style. Unhealthy living style. Let us see what are the unhealthy living style. Bad food habit, lack of exercise, habit like smoking, drinking, drug abuse, mental stress. These are the main cause for lifestyle disease. These are the bad lifestyle diseases or different lifestyles which can create disease. Bad food habits. Bad food habit means overeating, then consuming more fat, consuming more carbohydrate, more than required. Whatever it is more to our body, it is hazardous to our body. Okay, lack of exercise, no exercise. If you are eating and no exercise, no physical exercise, it may lead to different type of disease. Then habit like smoking, consuming alcohol, using drugs. Okay, mental stress. Here, if you take unnecessary mental stress, it may leads to different type of disease. Let us see which are the disease we have to learn. Here diabetes, fatty liver, stroke, hypertension, heart attack. These are some of the diseases due to unhealthy lifestyle. Okay, lifestyle diseases. Here the main cause of diabetes is deficiency of insulin or its malfunctioning. If you are consuming more sugar, there is a possibility to get diabetes. It may lead to deficiency of insulin. Okay, then fatty liver, deposition of excess fat in the liver. By consuming more fat, eating more fat, or lack of exercise, it can lead to fatty liver. The deposition of excess fat in the liver, and the liver will be malfunctioning. Liver will not function properly. There is big role in liver in digestion and other processes of our body. Okay, this will be affected by fatty liver. Then stroke due to rupture of blood vessels in the brain, block of blood flow to the brain. തലച്ചോറിലേക്കുള്ള മസ്തിഷ്കത്തിലേക്കുള്ള ബ്ലഡ് വെസൽ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുക, പൊട്ടുക. ദെൻ ഇറ്റ് മേ ലീഡ്സ് ടു സ്ട്രോക്ക്. ഓക്കെ, ഓർ ദർ ഇസ് ബ്ലോക്കേജ്, തടസ്സം ഉണ്ടാകുക. ബ്ലഡ് ഫ്ലോ will be obstructed. There will be obstruction in the blood flow to the brain, it can lead to stroke. Pakshaghadam. Stroke no Pakshaghadam. Then hypertension. This is also due to deposition of fat, consuming more fat. Then last year we studied about atherosclerosis. Okay, the diameter of arteries decreases. Raktakulinte vyasam koreya. Then it leads to hypertension. Pressure കൂടുന്ന രോഗം. Okay, heart attack. Blockage of blood flow due to deposition of fat in the coronary arteries which carry blood to the heart. ഹാർട്ടിലേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുപോകുന്ന ബ്ലഡ് കൊണ്ടുപോകുന്ന വെസൽസ് അടഞ്ഞു പോവുക. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ ഇറ്റ് ലീഡ്സ് ടു ഹാർട്ട് അറ്റാക്ക്. ദിസ് ഓൾസോ ഈസ് ഡ്യൂ ടു ലാക്ക് ഓഫ് എക്സസൈസ്, ഓവർ ഈറ്റിംഗ്, സ്ട്രെസ്, എക്സെട്ര. ഓക്കെ, ദീസ് ആർ ദ മെയിൻ lifestyle diseases. Then another disease related with smoking. Let us see what are the bad effects of smoking. Smoking can affect brain, lungs and heart. These are the important, very important organs of our body. If brain, lungs, heart, any of this organ if not functioning properly, it will be affecting our body. So let us see which are the problems related to brain. If in case of smokers, it can lead to stroke related with brain. Addiction of nicotine. Addiction of nicotine. If you used to smoke, there will be in tobacco there is nicotine that makes addiction. It is related with brain. Then related to lungs, lung cancer, bronchitis, emphysema. These are the lung diseases which can caused by smoking. Then heart, related with heart, hypertension, loss of elasticity of arteries, decrease in functional efficiency. These are the things related with heart. These are all related with smoking. You can see the figure also. It is how it is affecting brain, lungs and heart. Okay, then see bronchitis. Bronchitis is due to the deposition of tar and carbon monoxide in tobacco smoke get deposited in the alveoli of the lungs. Alveoli is the part where exchange of gas takes place in the lungs. This part, all this will be deposited. All this content of the mainly carbon monoxide and tar will be deposited in the alveoli, and this leads to the multiplication of pathogen and inflammation of the lungs. Lungs നീര് വെക്കുക, അതുപോലെ തന്നെ രോഗാണുക്കൾ കയറിക്കോളും. അപ്പോൾ this is what bronchitis is. Okay, this is mainly due to smoking. Then we have some animal disease and plant diseases also discussed. Animal disease, mainly animal disease we have learned are anthrax, inflammation of udder. It is due to bacteria. Then foot and mouth disease is caused by virus. All these diseases are in cattle, generally seen in cattle. Anthrax is a disease caused in cattle due to bacteria. Then foot and mouth disease in virus, due to virus. Then inflammation of udder, agadi veekam. Inflammation of udder എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ agadi veekam. Okay, കന്നുകാലികൾ ഉണ്ടാകുന്ന cattle. Then plant disease, mainly pathogens, bacteria, virus, fungus. Disease, name of the disease you have to learn. Here, due to bacteria, blight disease of paddy, നെല്ലിനുണ്ടാകുന്ന blight disease. Then wilt disease of brinjal, വഴുതനയിലുണ്ടാകുന്ന wilt disease. Virus, viral disease. Let us see the viral disease. Mosaic disease in peas and tapioca. പീസിൽ പയറിലും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ടാപ്പിയോക്ക കിഴങ്ങ് വർഗ്ഗത്തിലും ഒക്കെ ഉണ്ടാകുന്ന മൊസൈക്ക് രോഗം. Then bungy top of banana, വാഴയിലൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടാകുന്ന bungy top disease. This is due to virus. Then related with fungus, ക്വിക്ക് വിൽറ്റ് ഇൻ പെപ്പർ, കുരുമുളകിൽ ഉണ്ടാകുന്ന ക്വിക്ക് വിൽറ്റ്, ദ്രുതവാട്ടം എന്ന് പറയും. ഓക്കെ. ബഡ് റോട്ട് ഓഫ് കോക്കനട്ട്, കൂമ്പ് ചീയൽ, തെങ്ങിലുണ്ടാകുന്ന കൂമ്പ് ചീയൽ, ബഡ് റോട്ട് ഓഫ് coconut. These are the, you should be able to differentiate the bacterial, virus, fungal disease. Okay, don't confuse it, or there will be confusing question will be there. Should be able to identify which is of bacteria, which is of virus, and which is of fungus. Okay, these are the things discussed in the Victor's class. In textbook page number 71, there are some questions, let us assess, that you have to complete in the notebook. Okay, if any doubt or any confusion, you can call me or put a note in the WhatsApp. Okay, that's all for today. There will be a Google test or Google form test also, that I will give you later. Okay, thank you.